Hello, over 40 creators, and welcome to my new channel. My name is Judd Albring, and I'm a 53-year-old stay-at-home dad from Chicago who's been on YouTube since 2017. And I've been able to grow my main channel to over 400,000 subscribers, and I now get to do this full time, which is absolutely crazy. So I wanted to create this new channel specifically for people like me, people over 40 who are looking at YouTube and thinking, you know what, maybe I can do this too. On my main channel, I talk all about remote jobs, how to work from home, how to make money online, but I do that to a pretty broad audience. But here's what's interesting. I kept getting comments and emails from people in their 40s and 50s and 60s and beyond asking me how to do what I do, how to start a YouTube channel. So I thought, well, you know what? Let me create a channel just for people over 40 that want to get started on YouTube or want to grow their existing YouTube channel. And here's what I've learned over the years. We actually have a huge advantage over these younger creators. We've got decades of experience, we've got stories to tell, and we've got knowledge that people actually want to hear. So on this channel, I'm going to cover all things YouTube, specifically for beginners, people who are starting from zero. We're going to talk about how to set up your channel, how to record your first video, all that stuff that might feel intimidating, but is actually pretty simple once you know what you're doing. I'm also going to teach you guys how to find winning titles, thumbnails. This is a huge one because you could have the best content in the world, but if nobody clicks on it, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to share with you everything I've learned over the years. Also, I'm going to share with you all my failures because that is just as important. I'm going to be totally transparent, I promise. And we're going to talk about how to come up with endless video ideas. I know some of you are thinking, well, I don't have anything interesting to say, but trust me, you do. And I'll show you exactly how to find those ideas that are hiding in plain sight. And one of the biggest things I want to help you guys with is finding a profitable niche. Now, a lot of people say follow your passion, but that's not always the best advice on YouTube. We want to be able to find a combination of what we're good at and what people actually want, right? What problems can we solve? Also, you don't need millions of subscribers to make good money on YouTube. Sometimes a smaller, more focused audience is way more valuable. And I'll show you how to figure out what you should be talking about and how to turn that into real income. And probably most importantly, I'm going to help you get comfortable on camera because I get it. Being on camera is weird at first. I was terrible when I started. But here's the secret. People actually prefer authentic, real people over these overly polished creators. Your age and your experience are advantages, not disadvantages. This channel is all about helping you build something that lasts, something you can be proud of, something that could potentially give you the freedom to work from anywhere and live life on your terms. So if that sounds like you're over 40, you want to learn how to grow a profitable YouTube channel, then please hit that like button, subscribe, turn on the little notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm going to be putting out videos every single week. And don't be shy, leave a comment, ask me a question. That's my favorite thing about YouTube is interacting and helping you out. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.